This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, myself Ravinder. I'm going to start Azure SQL DBA training from 18th of this month, January 2025, and the duration of this course is 35 days, and the course timings would be 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Monday to Saturday. In EST times, it would be 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. EST for US people, and we will have weekly six classes, Monday to Saturday in Indian time, and time it should be Sunday to Friday. Okay, this course is designed for all SQL DBAs who are working on on-prem technology to who want to expand their skill set to cloud. This course is purely designed for those people. In fact, anybody can learn whoever SQL DBA this course so that they can enhance their skill set what they have currently. This course is designed into 10 modules. In fact, first taking you through the cloud technologies, what is the need of cloud technology, the use I'm going to cover in the first module. In the second module, subscription, how do we use the cloud resources, how do we manage the cost, though we use every day, how do we control the cost within 4 to 500 rupees, and for US people it is less than $10, irrespective of how many hours you we practice. How do we control the cost? There are tricks and tips we need to follow. I'm going to cover that to control the cost for Azure infrastructure. And implementing the virtual machine, what are the VM standards we need to have on the VM to make the SQL Server work better in the cloud, all the VM standards and options that we have, the best standards that we need to implement on the VM, and VM administration I'm going to cover, VM management, everything I'm going to cover in these two modules. Then we're going to talk about networking, how the networking is going to play the role between the to form the communication between the VMs, between the regions, between the networks, between the subnets, how you block the communication, how you open the communication. That level of troubleshooting we can easily understand in the fifth module. Then we're going to talk about how do you manage the story account, how do you take the SQL backup into cloud, how you manage the backups in the storage account, how you restore the services, backup into the services like SQL Server, managed instance, and the VM. How we're going to do all that, we're going to see the integration of storage account with the services and manage the data from the storage account. And then we're going to talk about the majority of the content will be delivered in the planning and implementing Azure SQL database. Here, A to Z, right from the installation, like the configuration of services, security, backup, restore, high availabilities, performance tuning, migrations, and all that we do in the on-prem, everything is going to be covered here. In fact, in the seventh module, if anybody interested, please ping me on this WhatsApp number 91600346332. If you can call me, if not, WhatsApp me on this number so that I'll get back to you with the course, complete course content. You can go through and join the classes. And the last one is Azure Active Directory. How do we integrate the Azure Active Directory with the cloud services? We're going to talk about end to end, right from the migrating the on-prem Azure on-prem Active Directory to Azure AD Active Directory. How we implement the accounts from the Azure AD accounts, how they can be integrated with the SQL Server services, and how we can manage the accounts and permissions from the portal perspective. We're going to talk about in this module. Automation again is one of the important topic we going to talk. It's like runbook automation, PowerShell automation, logic app automation, Azure Elastic Agent job automation, on-prem SQL agent automation. There are five different types of automations we can do in the cloud. So I'm going to cover all of them in this module. So this is like purely practical oriented, nothing theoretical. I'm going to run in this course. It is end-to-end training. I'm going to guarantee that all configurations we're going to do, what we need to know as a DBA, and all the troubleshooting, all the implementation, security compliances, migrations, everything will be covered as part of it, including the IA services, PaaS services, SaaS services. What are the services as a DBA we need to know as a SQL DBA? All will be covered. If anybody interested, please contact me on this number 916003463 so that I can give more details on it. Thank you.